An information system, it has exposure to maybe not the internet, but it can have exposure to other systems. It's going to have exposure to data coming in and going out. It's going to have exposure to users using the system. Like at any point, somebody could do something bad or mess something up, and it's going to crash the system. There's all kinds of things that can happen to a system. There's always risk. There's always vulnerabilities. And we're just managing the level of impact that those bad things, those negative things that happen, we're just managing the level of risk that's going to occur, that's going to happen with that. We're going to make sure that if we fall down, we can bounce back up again. That's the name of the game, is managing and reducing the risk to the organization. So if you just are forthcoming and tell them, look, here's where we're at. If you don't know, the worst thing that I found, there's two. The worst one, I think, is when they actively lie about it. They know there's a problem and they're trying to hide it. I'm not going to be on your team anymore. If you're trying to do stuff, pull stuff like that, I'm not on your team. I'm just going to report the facts of what I've seen, and then that's it. The other bad thing is to not know anything. Because I go to a network or system, whatever, and I find something and they absolutely were ignorant of it and had no idea. That's also pretty bad. At the same time, it's like, how could they have known? You know, sometimes there's no way they could have. If they're not running their own scans and stuff, then how could they have known that? So, but that's still bad because they should be running their own scans. They should be doing their own due diligence and stuff to find that stuff. So those are the two things. Like if they're hiding it, if they just actively don't know about it because they're not doing due diligence, I think those are two of the worst things I've seen. Man, the best thing you can do is just be forthcoming about things and just show progress. And then listen, just like he said, SVT said, like listen to the actual assessor when they say, hey, this thing, you might want to take a look at this. And then you go take a look at it and take care of it. And then at the very least, have a plan of action to actually fix it. That is awesome. Mad respect to people who do that.